friends, I'm Purvi Gandhi from Therapy at its Best. Now, this is in regard to a question which has come regarding the pro-social behavior. How do you improve pro-social behavior in children? So basically, what are pro-social behaviors? Building up the skills of empathy, caring, loving, and all those sorts of social skills. So what is the basic that you should start off with? When you want to really teach a child, basics of being empathetic or being caring about something, it's the most easiest way the children learn when they are small. They learn from whatever they see and they watch. So if you want to teach a particular skill, like how do you care for others, this is the right time actually. Amid the pandemic, a parent can always behave accordingly so that the children notice what their parents are doing. A valid example would be like just today I got a message saying that if you have any extra medicines which you've already taken and they are lying unused, or you want to donate it, buy it and donate it by yourself, so that it can be supplied for people who are stuck in pandemic and they don't have money to buy those. So that's the most easiest way to show. Make sure you engage your child if you want to do something like that with the act, saying that let's just figure out which medicines are not expired and probably we won't need it, and we should just buy some medicines from outside and just make a packet and send it to the people who really need them more than what we do now. So no need to really say that, okay, this is how you care for others, but only the action would really teach them, and at some point they would realize that it's the act of kindness. Other things is you teach from the examples. Give different examples, as in, your own example, make it into a story saying that, when I was small, this is what happened. My mom told me, take your example of a child. If he doesn't like to share things with others, you kind of put yourself in it and say, okay, um, I never used to like to share, but I saw my mama sharing things. Then I realized, once I tried sharing things with someone, and I realized it was so much fun because I got what he had, half of it, and what I have, I gave it to him. So it was nice to experience with two different things. So, you can always build up on telling the child by different stories which you put yourself in it, but you do not really tell them that, okay, so will you do that? The child is intelligent enough to understand that this is a possibility and it can be done. Other thing what parents can do is teach your child whenever uh, circumstances arise, that how do you kind of express empathy. So if the child is if some incident has happened in the house which is not really a very happy incident or things like that, or even for that even happy incident, and ask them how do you feel about it, so they will learn how to talk about their feelings. The recognition of their feelings is also very important at this, and at the same time recognizing what the other person also feels to some extent is, it goes a long way in teaching the child more of act of kindness and being caring and things like that. I would just give you an example of how my own personal example. When my children were small, we used to have a maid coming in the house, and unfortunately every day for a week she broke some of the other, the glass vessels. So first day she broke, I said it's okay, maybe it just happened accidentally, that's fine. Second day, third day. So for a week I did tell her that just be careful about it because these are expensive cutlery. So after a week again, consistently for 7 days, she broke something or the other. So finally I had to tell her that, look, now there are going to be consequences, in the sense of I may just cut some part of your salary if you continue doing that and you don't pay attention. So, fortunately, my son was also around and he also kind of overheard what I told her. So, I was aware of that. And at the end of the month, when we had to give the salaries, I made sure that my son was around and I kind of gave her the salary and I said that, look, this month I have not cut anything from your salary, but because after giving you a warning, you were very careful, so I did not really cut, but otherwise I would have cut some part of it. To this, my son immediately questioned me, but Mama, you should have cut it. It was, our loss that kind of we kind of lost some of the nice things of our cutlery. To which I said that, look, if I just cut 100, 200 rupees, there's not going to be any dip in for us, but it's going to be a big thing for her even if I cut 100 rupees. So what do you think I should have done is right or wrong? To which he kind of actually gave it a thought and he thought, okay, I think maybe you are right. It doesn't matter to us, 100 rupees doesn't have so much a great value, but as compared to what she has. So it, you can take out experiences or make build up on the events that are happening and take advantage of this and teach them these skills. I hope this really helps. Bye for now.